Welcome back, everybody, to the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. Chef Eli here with my friend Chef Kim. Today we're going to be doing a handheld with a bold global fusion favorite, the sweet and sour chicken and rice burrito. This one brings together Gold Creek breaded chicken chunks, Kikkoman sweet and sour sauce, and Don Pancho's whole grain tortilla. This burrito is crunchy, colorful, packed with flavor. Chef, you ready to get to work?
Sir.
Let's go. All right, guys, and that wraps up our sweet and sour chicken and rice burrito. Literally. It's a fun and familiar format with global flavors that appeal, and it's super easy for your team to prep and hold on the line. Each burrito provides 2 ounces of meat or meat alternative, 4.5 ounces grain, 1/4 cup of red orange veg, and 1/4 cup of other veg. You can find this recipe in the Healthy Pro System number 1792962. Thanks for watching from all of us here at the School Food Rocks Training and Innovation Center. See you next time.